I'm Ray Moore.
I'm Ryan Sarah.
I'm Richard Kuzna.
And I'm Ben Dykes.
What the what?
We have a proposal to reduce the electrical use of the parking lot lights. The inefficient parking lot lights will be replaced by LED outdoor parking lot lights.
Currently at Mesa, there is a big problem. And that problem is that our parking lot lights aren't energy efficient at all.
And this is a big problem because we're wasting lots of energy and money which could be used for school programs.
There is an alternative solution, which is turning off the lights during night hours, and that is quite dangerous due to the night workers.
If this issue isn't addressed, we're going to be wasting a lot of money and energy. We expect that the LED lights will be installed in roughly 1 to 2 years, but we're going to see results in only a couple of months after the installation.
LED wattage is about 6 times less than the incandescent wattage will be.
New lights will use about 18,204.38 kilowatts. Old lights that we have now are using 142,104 kilowatts per year.
We will know if it's working if the electrical usage is less or is decreasing.
We're going to present our proposal to students, and we hope that soon we'll be able to present our proposal to the Board of Directors meeting.
If we install the new lights, 10,922 kilowatts will be saved per year.
We're going to use a superior lighting model, S18033.
It will be $10,650 to get the lights installed.
We are going to replace all 30 lights that we have outside of the school.
This proposal is important because it cuts carbon footprint and reduces wasteful electrical consumption.